Welcome to Malaysia, a land where history and the future walk hand in hand. Today, we begin our journey in the heart of the capital, Kuala Lumpur. Our tour starts at the historic core, where colonial-era heritage meets the bustling energy of a modern metropolis. This is Merdeka Square, the birthplace of Malaysian independence. The architecture here tells a story of a nation finding its own voice. Nearby, the Masjid Jamek sits at the literal confluence where Kuala Lumpur, meaning muddy confluence, was born. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now let's dive into the sensory explosion of Chinatown. Pedaling Street is a hub of life, colors, and incredible aromas. You can't walk through these streets without being tempted by the world-famous street food. It's the heart and soul of the city. Hidden in these alleys are stories of the past brought to life through beautiful interactive murals. Malaysia's diversity is reflected in its stunning temples, where every detail tells a tale of faith and tradition. Central Market is where tradition meets creativity, a haven for local artisans and traditional Malaysian crafts. As we move toward the modern Golden Triangle, the skyline is dominated by the breathtaking Petronas Twin Towers. Once the tallest in the world, these steel and glass giants remain a symbol of Malaysia's soaring ambition. At their base, KLCC Park offers a lush, tropical oasis in the middle of the concrete jungle. Architectural beauty isn't just for the sky. The Saloma Link Bridge is a masterpiece of modern design and light. And then there's Merdeka 118, a crystalline marvel that has redefined the city's silhouette for the future. Kuala Lumpur is one of the few cities with a primary rainforest right in its center. The Canopy Walk offers a unique perspective. The Perdana Botanical Gardens provide a peaceful retreat filled with exotic flowers and artistic structures. The true magic of Kuala Lumpur lies in its streets, the sounds, the smells, and the incredible warmth of its people. Every corner you turn reveals a new surprise, from hidden cafes to vibrant street art that tells the story of daily life. As the sun sets, the River of Life project transforms the historic core into an ethereal wonderland of light and mist. Nightfall brings a whole new energy, especially on Jalan Alor, the city's premier destination for evening street food. From the towering KL Tower to the smallest street stall, Kuala Lumpur is a city that never sleeps. We've seen the history, the culture, and the modern marvels that make Kuala Lumpur so unique. But this is just the beginning. In part 2, we leave the city behind and head into the mystical caves and lush highlands of Malaysia. Don't miss it. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.